Hello friends, my name is Nirav Soni. I am an IT professional working in IT field for over 20 years. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share my videos. Let's begin this video. In this video, I will show you how to replace the memory of Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series laptop, or how you can upgrade the memory of this laptop. So as you see here, this is the Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series laptop, and I am going to show you how to replace or upgrade the memory of this model of laptops. So first, we need to remove the screws from the back of this laptop to open its back side. I have flipped the laptop and this is the bottom part of this particular laptop. So as you see here, we see some screws. Here we have the screw here as well. So we need to remove all these screws first. I have a laptop repair screwdriver kit like this, and to remove the screws we will need a screwdriver like this. So let's begin removing the screws first. So this way I will remove all the screws. So friends, I have removed all the screws. Screws are here as you see. And before we open the back cover, we need to remove the battery. So here you see this kind of latch. So just slide this latch and remove the battery. Once you have removed the battery, then you can go ahead and open this back cover to replace or upgrade the RAM of this laptop. And before removing the back cover, we still need to flip this laptop, open the screen and remove the keyboard. Underneath the keyboard there are some screws that we need to open first. So we need to remove those screws and then we can later open this back cover. So I am now going to show you how we can remove the keyboard of this particular laptop. I'm gonna flip this laptop and I will show you how I'm going to remove the keyboard and then the screws underneath the keyboard. Okay, so I have removed the keyboard and now I'll be removing the screws. So screws are here, one is here, there is one more here, this is the second one, third, fourth. So there are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 screws I need to remove before I remove the back cover. Now I'm removing the DVD drive before we open the back cover. Guys, so I was able to remove all this back cover from all these sides, but it wasn't opening from this side. And then I realized that I had to remove 3 screws like this from here, here and here as well after removing the DVD drive. So I removed these 3 screws, and now if I can easily open this back cover as you see here. Now this is the RAM that I have already installed on this machine, and I have one more slot here where it says only DDR3L DIMM-B. So here I can add one more RAM to increase the RAM of this particular computer. So just to show you guys, this is the memory that I already have here. I can remove this way as you see. So if I leave this memory here, and if I have the similar memory like this to add, I can simply slide the memory in and then press it down to lock it. So this is how you can replace the memory or upgrade the memory. Replacing means just remove this memory and put some another good memory in place of it. And if you want to leave this memory as is and add one more memory module here, you can. We have one additional slot here. We can put the additional RAM here. Thank you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share my videos. Thank you.